Here's what happened. Americans wanted a faster horse. So we built them a car.
Cars began coming off the assembly line at the rate of 1 every 40 seconds.
Then they needed a car that worked harder than a car. So we built something else. The truck. Americans said, okay, now we're getting somewhere. And they used our trucks to build interstates.
The nation has become swift and mobile.
And families. And communities. And industries. Americans used these trucks to build livelihoods and neighborhoods. And in their spare time, tow really heavy things. Americans needed vehicles worthy of who they are and what they can do. So, we built them a truck.
Hold on, I'm with 3KFM. This is Allison playing a